let's start over. What's this shape? No, it's not. Look at it. What is that? Lucy, what is that?
Oval.
Oval. What is this? What is this? Lucy, look at this. Square. What's that? Look at this. What is that? Triangle, that's right. What about this one? You're welcome. Can you put that where it goes? Can you put the circle back? Put the circle back. Well, that's where the star goes. Where does the circle go? Yeah, that's where the circle goes, but this is an oval. Where does the oval go?
Oval.